Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Kenya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, karibu sana, and thank you so much to those who have subscribed, and thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, the subscription button is down below. Kindly subscribe. So I have a recipe that I want to share with you guys of how I make mandazis. It's very easy. I go for the easiest. I love food. I enjoy cooking, but not so much, so I go for the easiest recipes, and that is why I want to share how I make my mandazis. And yeah, so let's not waste time and do this. Disclaimer guys, I do not measure any ingredients while cooking, so sorry. But the ingredients for today, we're going to use self-raising flour. Make sure it's self-raising. We have eggs, butter, I used normal spread, sugar, oil of course, and the main ingredient is coconut milk. I love coconut milk, and coconut milk in mandazis just changes the whole the taste. But if you don't have coconut milk, you can use normal milk. So in a bowl, we are going to mix all our wet ingredients, starting with coconut milk. I warmed mine and I melted my butter. I went ahead and added my eggs, and then I started mixing. Then I added my sugar and mix until you have a consistent. So start adding your flour and mixing. Don't use all your flour because you're going to need your flour to knead. Just add in small portions. I like to start by using a cooking stick because then it's probably hot, considering I warmed my milk and the butter is hot and it's messy. So, but later, as you can see, I still had to use my hands to knead. The goal here, guys, is to get to get a dough that is not sticking to your hands. So keep kneading and keep adding your flour. Keep adding your flour, guys. So as you can see, my dough is hardening, and at this point it's not sticking to my hands. That is the goal. So I'm going ahead and adding some oil. Moisturize that dough, guys. Get in there. Once it's ready, I'm just going to cover it and then give it a few minutes. Give it an hour or so, or 30 minutes. So this is after 1 hour. As you can see, it's raised. So I'm just going to go ahead and portion it, because I like to portion it before I start rolling it. You can do whatever from this point. I feel like the trickiest part about mandazis is like kneading the dough, but after that you can have your fun. So I went ahead and started rolling my dough. Guys, this is why you need the flour, to make sure that it's not sticking to the surface. And how far you roll your dough depends on how full you love your mandazis. So I love mine thin and not full on the inside, so that's why I did this. Go crazy with the shapes, have fun. My oil is already heating. You want that to get really hot, and of course I have where I'm putting my mandazis after cooking. To know if the oil is hot, you can just use mandazi, like just throw in one. But keep turning them, otherwise if you don't turn them, they blow on one side, which is really hard to cook both sides because then you can't turn it. I know some of you have tried and didn't work because of that. So keep turning them as you cook them. Make sure your heat is not too high, otherwise they're not going to cook on the inside. And about how brown you want them, that is up to you. Some people want them brown, some people want them medium, and some people want them dark. So it depends on how you want them. And they're ready, and I'm making tea. I mean, look at them all crispy and looking good. So I'm going to have a cup of tea and enjoy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. That was it. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you have a question, you can ask down below. If you have a recipe, you can share with us down below. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.